chase. The morning touches gold. Your promise to behold, I feel you in the air. Your love is everywhere. Yesterday fades away. Mercy means today. You whisper in the glow. I'm with you, don't let go. Grace like a river flows through every heart that knows. You breathe and I awaken by your word unshaken. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the way. Hearts awake, pure and bright, dancing in your holy light. Every move I make, with hearts awake. You paint the sky so wide. Your truth will never hide. Every color sings your grace. Fill in this place. I hear the world renewed. All creation points to you. My soul begins to rise to endless skies. Grace like a river flows through every heart that knows. You breathe and I awaken by your word unshaken. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the way. Hearts awake, pure and bright, dancing in your holy light. Every move I make, with hearts awake. Your love won't fade away. It meets me every day. The morning sings your name, forever the same. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence In the quiet of the sea, your spirit covers me. Every tide, a holy sound, your mercy all around. The stars reflect your light through every sleepless night. In the deep I feel you near, whispering I'm here. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. When the dawn begins to gleam, you awaken every dream. Through the storm and through the rain, your peace remains. Every tear you turn to grace, your love fills every space. I'm carried by your flow wherever you go. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory is shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find my side. Echoes of heaven's glow inside my chest, my heart finds rest. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find my side. your truth will stay. I rest in your design outside of time. Grace beyond grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone through the night and dawn. Eternal, you will shine. Grace beyond time. Grace beyond time. Endless divine. Grace beyond time. Wings of grace, lift me to your place. In the stillness of the air, I feel your presence there. You whisper to my soul, you are whole. Every shadow falls behind. Your love renews my mind. I spread my heart so wide. In your light I fly. You lift me through the haze. Your mercy lights my days. Forever I will stay in your holy way. Wings of grace carry me high through the clouds, across the sky. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Wings of grace, pure and free. You are everything to me. All I am, I raise on wings of grace. Carry me high through the clouds, across the sky. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Wings of grace, pure and free. You are everything to me. All I am, I raise on wings of grace. Wings of grace, carry me high. Wings of grace. River of mercy, flow through me. In the calm of early light, your grace restores the night. Every tear becomes the sea of what you've done for me. Your love like water pure, forever will endure. It washes all my pain again and again. You move so silently, yeah, you're all I see. Your spirit fills this place with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy. In the flow I find release. You turn my fear to peace. Your whisper moves the tide with love inside. Every shadow fades away when I begin to pray. Your current pulls me near. I feel you here. You move so silently, yeah, you're all I see. Your spirit fills this place with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy. Your flow will never end. You call me home again. I'm drowning in your love, lifted above. sky begins to fade, your mercy's newly made. The shadows lose their hold, your promise unfolds. I lift my eyes once more to see what's been restored. Each breath awakens me, it waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. In breath of your light paints the sky in gold, stories of grace retold. The earth begins to sing to its holy King. Your spirit stirs the air, a love beyond compare. You're all my heart adores, forever yours. Your peace awakens me like waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. Let your mercy fall like rain, wash away the pain. In the stillness I belong within your song. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. In breath of dawn, breath of dawn, carry me on. Breath of dawn. Light of eternity, shine on me. shine on me, light of eternity. Heaven's whisper, calling me home. In the stillness I can hear a voice that draws me near. Through shadows you remain, speaking peace again. Your words fall soft and slow, like light on morning snow. Each breath becomes a prayer. You're always there. You move within in the calm. You're the healing in my soul. Every silent tear you trace with gentle grace. Heaven's whisper, sweet and low. Through the night, your mercy flows. Every sigh, every sound, your love is all around. Heaven's whisper, pure and true, guides my heart back home to you. Even when I fade, your whisper stays. As the dawn begins to rise, your hope fills up the skies. I hear the spirits tune beneath the moon. Every moment you remain, through joy and through the pain. Your voice becomes my light through endless night. You move within the calm. You're the healing in my song. Every silent tear you trace with gentle grace. Heaven's whisper, sweet and low. Through the night, your mercy flows. Every sigh, every sound, your love is all around. Heaven's whisper, pure and true, guides my heart back home to you. Even when I fade, your whisper stays. Your voice inside the wind calls my soul again. I find you where I kneel in peace so real. whisper, pure true guides my heart back home to you.